来看在美国纽约中央公园的动物园，一年前有一只猫头鸟逃走出去，要掠煞掠无。动物园就烦恼讲，已经细汉就有人饲，家己一个人恐惊是无法度生存。想袂到这一年来，伊是过得真好，除了会晓家己找食的，嘛看到愈来愈行动啊。
猫头鸟弗拉克为中央公园动物园逃走已经1年。原本动物园烦恼，伊伫温室大汉，袂晓拍蜡，今日后生活会摇巴肚。想袂到弗拉克适应力真强，逃走无偌久，就家己找物件食，食做拉布的高手，将家己食甲肥滋滋，小日子过甲真好。弗拉克勇敢冲出人啊，电视杯，纽约人真好乐，真做社群网络受欢迎的动物。
He has not only survived, he is thriving and navigating through the entire island of Manhattan as if it's his own. That is remarkable. He has done this on his own without the, guidance of parents. And I think people, New Yorkers especially, connect to him because of his resilience.
弗拉克是猫头鸟当中体型上大，黄黄色的毛，有神的大目睭，长长的耳羽是特色。伊伫1年前的1月7日，因为动物园的人啊，互人破坏煞逃走。动物园无论用米是诱捕、放光类的叫声来吸，拢无法度互伊转来。最后发现，伊其实有法度家己生活，总算放弃追捕。就安尼，弗拉克亲像王者，徛悬悬看曼哈顿的花花世界。大部分时间踮伫是无丰富的中央公园周边，有时阵出现伫附近的公园塘啊，好像就好真惊喜。
He's just so beautiful, and he's just sitting there staring at us.
照类念念书，对各地汇报弗拉克的叫声、掠伊的轨迹。相机曝光度特别挑悬，互弗拉克暗时行动的相片看起来亲像之时。这几个月也发现伊扩大活动探索的范围。
He's been exploring the city. He went to the East Village, the Lower East Side, the Upper East Side. He's spent the past month or so roosting in different private courtyards on the Upper West Side. He likes this neighborhood, I think, because it is close to Central Park.
人工捕出来弗拉克，毋是巴比的本土物种，可能是全巴比唯一一只生活伫野外的雕鸮。专家分析，伊离开熟悉中央公园，可能是换血本能之属，只是无法度找到半路。野生的寿命是20年，弗拉克即马是14岁，应该还阁一段自由逍遥的日子通过。不过纽约市的鸟鼠是真济，极度的鸟鼠药啊是伊上大的天敌。国际新闻是会中朋友。